Are bar chords making you want to quit guitar? Trust me, I've been there. But there's one simple trick that changed everything for me. And today, I'm going to show you how you can finally master bar chords without any pain or buzzing. Most beginners face this. The chord sounds dead or buzzy, your hand gets tired fast, or no matter how hard you press, the notes just don't ring out. Sounds familiar? The trick is in how you use your index finger. Instead of pressing flat with the soft, fleshy part, roll your finger slightly to the side, like this. The bony edge of your finger is firmer, so it needs less pressure to get a clean sound. This small angle makes a big difference. And thumb placement also matters. Now combine that with this. Place your thumb directly behind your index finger on the back of the neck. This gives you like a clamp-like grip, more support with less tension. And you have to practice smart to start with this chord. Start with the F major bar chord on the 1st fret, but if that feels too hard, go to the A major shape bar chord on the 5th fret. It's easier there because the strings are lighter. And I'll give you a practice routine idea. You can do this. Play the chord slowly, press just enough to get a clean sound, take breaks and just don't overdo it. Bar chords are like push-ups. It is strength and form, but not force. Stick with it. This trick will save you weeks, maybe months of frustration. If this helped, leave a like and drop a comment if you want more lessons like this. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Guitar Short Nepal. I keep things simple, short and soulful. Thanks for watching.